Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ornamental grasses can add texture, movement, and visual interest to your garden or landscaping. They come in various sizes, shapes, and colors, making them our style choice for both formal and informal settings. Here are some ornamental grass ideas to consider. Fountain grass. This popular grass has feathery plumes that resemble a water fountain, hence the name. It comes in various cultivars such as Hamilton and rubrum with different colors and sizes. Maiden grass. These tall, elegant grasses provide height and a graceful, arching form. Gracilium and Adagio are popular varieties. Switchgrass. Switchgrass is a North American native grass that offers a variety of cultivars like prairie sky and shenandoah. They come in different colors and heights. Below Fisco. This compact grass features striking blue-gray foliage. It's excellent for edging or in mass plantings. Japanese forest grass. Known for its cascading, arching foliage, this grass is ideal for shaded or partially shaded areas. Little blue stem. Native to North America, this grass features fine blue-green foliage and turns shades of orange and red in the fall. Mexican feather grass. Delicate and airy, this grass creates a soft, graceful look and works well in meadow-style gardens. Carl Forster feather reed grass. Upright and clump farming, this grass produces feathery plums in early summer and maintains its shape throughout the year. Zebra grass. Known for its distinctive striped leaves, this grass adds a unique touch to your landscape. Big blue stem. A native North American grass, it's an excellent choice for large gardens and prairie style landscapes. Little blue stem. Native to North America, this grass features fine blue green foliage and turns shades of orange and red in the fall. Pampas grass. Known for its large, fluffy plums, pampas grass makes a bold statement in the garden. Bamboo. Various species. Although technically not a grass, bamboo can be used for its ornamental value. It comes in many sizes, shapes, and add an exotic feel to your garden. When incorporating ornamental grasses into your landscaping, consider factors such as the plant's height, color texture, and hardiness for your specific climate. Mixing and matching different grasses can create a visually appealing and dynamic landscape design.